It will be a one-off build, incorporating some of the WIX colors and logos into the design. It's a Richard Petty Edition Challenger with the WIX flare put on it.
We jack it up, we change all the shocks, the suspension, put bigger brakes on it, bigger tires, bigger wheels, brace up the chassis a little bit, work in the engine, either put a blower on it or a supercharger.
All the Petty Challengers or Petty cars here that we build, we like to add performance to them. That's what's the fun part about them. We got 6 guys here at the shop, 6 or 7 guys, and all of them will touch the WIX car as we build it. Interior will be redone, all the mechanical, shock, springs, sway bars, engine work, supercharger put on it, exhaust, a lot of custom fabricated parts and detail go into that. King will put his finishing touches on it, that's for sure. Pretty potent power package with this thing, right at 750 horsepower with the Magnuson supercharger on it, about 12 pounds of boost. It's a 392 gear car with a 6-speed transmission, so it'll be a lot of fun to drive.
Seeing the finished product when it rolls out the door is satisfaction for me. Anybody that likes high performance stuff would love this car.